Golmate Enterprise Limited is a key manufacturer and quality thermowares for more than 18 years. We specialize in providing all kinds of kitchenware, such as vacuum jug, vacuum flask, vacuum air pots, water jugs, mugs, and double vacuumware. Our business center is located in Guangzhou, China. We are a famous factory in southern China. With quality products, we have successfully spread our business from the local market to all around the world. Here we have very good English-speaking customer service representatives that will deal with your questions and orders directly. We have our own design team and our engineering department from China and Italy. What's more, professional quality control inspectors remain vital to us to ensure good quality. We prepare raw material in the warehouse to guarantee the supply requirements. All the products are created with high-quality new materials, so you never have to worry about selling less than adequate products. Let's see how these high-quality stainless steel vacuum bottles are made. Professional facilities were used to shape the body. To ensure the best quality of product, we have invested in advanced machinery for your benefit. Not only do we work with the stainless steel, we also have mold-making facilities for plastic in our factory. Quality control checks are carried out in every stage of the process. The workshops require every worker to work strictly according to production rules. With the efficient and automatic welding equipment and standardized testing process, we can produce high-quality products. Vacuumize. This stage relates to the function of Thermos, so we are equipped with an advanced vacuuming machine and experienced workers to handle this stage. We have standards for both during and after vacuumizing the bottles. Electrolyze. Electrolyze and polishing will have a great influence on the surface of the bottles. In the meantime, another surface treatment program, polishing can be separated as rough polishing and fine polishing. We perform 3 separate, unique temperature tests for all of our thermoware. The advanced processing technique, strict quality and production control when manufacturing provides durable quality guaranteed for our thermal products. We have 300 employees. Annual production capacity can reach 5 million pieces. What we offer is the result of an innovative design team and manufacture with the finest products. At Golmate, we understand your needs and we care about our customers. We achieved our reputation as one of the best thermo suppliers in the world by having a strong dedication to quality and responsibility and our own state-of-the-art on-site vacuum flask factory, which is BSCI audited. Before the vacuum insulation process is applied, containers will be susceptible to heat or cold. With advanced vacuum technology to creating an airless space between 2 walls, we virtually eliminate the convection process and temperature change within the product. So the contents maintain their temperature regardless of what elements surround the product. After continuous exploration, we have repositioned our brand and production strength. Now our product range has been basically covered by all the housingware and capacity equipment. But we will continue to make persistent efforts to develop more good products. We aim to share better living for you. Thank you, and welcome to join us. Golmate. Your cares, we care.